Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to renovate your kitchen or just looking for some fresh inspiration, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to explore some of amazing modern kitchen design ideas that can completely transform the heart of your home. From smart storage solutions to stylish color combinations, these ideas will help you create a kitchen that is both beautiful and functional. So let's get started. First of all, minimalist design. One of the biggest trends in the modern kitchens and minimalism. A minimalist kitchen focuses on clean lines, clutter-free countertops, and simple designs. Cabinets are usually flat panel with no heavy detailing. Neutral colors like white, grey, and beige are very popular because they make the space look larger and brighter. On the second number, smart storage solutions. Modern kitchens are not just about looks, they are also about functionality. Smart storage solutions help keep your kitchen organized and efficient. For example, you can install pull-out cabinets, corner drawers, and vertical storage units. These designs maximize every inch of space and make it easier to access your kitchen tools and ingredients. On the third number, modern color combinations. Color plays a huge role in modern kitchen design. Popular color combinations include white and wood, black and gold, or gray with marble finishes. White kitchens create a bright and clean look, while darker tones like matte black add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Adding natural wood elements can make the kitchen feel warm and inviting. On the fourth number, kitchen islands. A kitchen island is one of the most desirable features in modern homes. It provides extra workspace, storage, and even a casual dining area. Many modern islands include built-in sinks, cooktops, or breakfast bars. Some also have stylish pendant lighting above them, which adds both functional and beauty to the design. On the fifth number, lighting and technology. Lighting is another key element in modern kitchens. Under cabinet LED lights, pendant lights, and resist ceiling lights create a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Modern kitchens also include smart technologies such as touchless faucets, smart refrigerators, and energy efficient appliances. These features not only make your kitchen more convenient but also add a futuristic touch to your home. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.